Hello, my name's Andy Kershaw and today I've been playtesting this Wessex Wyvern C tuba. It's a 5/4 size tuba with 4 pistons and 1 rotor. I think it plays really well across its range. It's very well in tune with itself and you really don't have to do too much valve slide pulling to play in tune across all of the range that you would need to play in an orchestra, a wind band, or for that matter, in a brass quintet. This instrument is quite versatile. I've been playing some excerpts from Mahler's 5th Symphony because it shows the fact that you can get some power into the instrument whilst being able to move around in the low register as well. If you would like to learn more about this instrument, please do click the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you in another video very soon.